Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get best working Zalando promo codes in 2025. Now step 1 is just open your browser inside your laptop or PC and go to this website promotionalcodes.org.uk. Once you're at this website, so just go to the search section and just search here Zalando. And once you write down Zalando, so you will see Zalando, just click on it, and as you can see, like Zalando promotional codes which are working. So there are different codes available, as you can see, like available today 24, best discount is 15% off, coupon codes are 7, free shipping 1. So you can see or read all those details and just click on the coupon code that you want to use. You want for codes, sales, or shipping, that is your choice. Click on it, view code, and once you click on view code, you will be able to get the code in this way. So you can just copy the code and continue directly to Zalando and use this code. Now the second website is promocode.ac. Go to this website and search here Zalando. And once you write down Zalando, as you can see Zalando, open it and you will see a list of all the promo codes that are available. So you can just click on see code and you will be able to see the code inside this way. Like as you can see, make sure to enter the email address and they will send you the promo code there. So these are some simple methods of how you can get the promo codes of Zalando in 2025.